Establishing credit card integration with Amazon Business Prime. Hi guys, this video will show you how to add your credit card to your Amazon Business Prime account and to use it for auto order fulfillment through SalesFreaks. This option is only available for those of you who have an Amazon Business Prime account. This feature allows you to choose between using gift cards or your credit card to fulfill orders. Please note that the credit card integration won't work if you have more than one credit card on file with Amazon. Also, you can only integrate one credit card on SalesFreaks. To get started, you will want to go to the Your Account page and click on your Amazon Business Safe Access link to get to your Amazon account. Once you are in your Amazon account, go to the My Account section and then click on Payment Options. Please double check that you only have one credit card listed in this section. Next, click on the bank icon, which will open a form. Fill in the form and make sure the address matches exactly what is associated with your credit card. It also needs to match exactly what is on file in your Amazon address book. Once you are done filling out the form, click OK and then click OK in the pop-up. You can now exit out of Safe Access and go back to your accounts page within SalesFreaks. You will now need to update the balance of your business account that is listed towards the bottom of the page. Click the Edit button. Update the balance to $99,999 and make sure to save it as a Business Prime. This tells the system that you have enough credit to fulfill auto orders at all times. Now you are all set.